Hi everyone. My name is class says Darlene White, but I go by Lan, Lan, it's short for Lynette. I chose to pursue the MSW at Widener because of the homosexuality. I have an undergrad in sociology, and I realized I didn't want to go on with that. I wanted to be more in contact with people and helping empower people. And sociology is a lot more of research and publishing and teaching. And I realized that's just not what I wanted to do. I did a lot of work in my women and gender studies program in my undergrad regarding rape awareness, domestic violence awareness. I did a lot of work with the Clothesline Project, and I just realized that I really wanted to work with people and help people who'd been victims of sexual or domestic trauma. And that's why I'm pursuing this degree. I didn't go to school until I had been out of high school for 26 years. So I am on the older side, but that doesn't bother me. I just think about Dr. Ruth Westheimer and how old she was when she was on TV. Bye, everybody.